Children, today our lesson is a treat for mosquito part 2. So this is a continuation of your part 1. But in this lesson, we will read about anemia. Oh Rajat, do you know? I was anemic. I had iron deficiency. They took a syringe full of blood. They tested on a glass slide. See, thick smear and thin smear here also. And by count here, they will come to know. This they will see under the microscope. And that showed that I am anemic. The blood report came. Oh, I had only 8 gram per deciliter. But it should be between 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. I had some medicine and then it increased to 10.5 gram, but still it was less. And you know how I came to know? Oh, initially, iron deficiency anemia can be so mild that it goes unnoticed. But as the blood becomes more deficient in iron and anemia worsen, the sign and the symptoms intensify. The iron deficiency anemia signs and symptoms may include extreme fatigue. You know what is the meaning of fatigue? You feel very tired. Okay. Then weakness. You feel very, very weak. Pale skin. The skin will become little yellowish in color. You will have chest pain, heartbeat, difficulty to take breath, headache, dizziness, that is chakkarana. Your hands will become cold and even feet, inflammation and snow your tongue, then your nails, unusual cravings for non-nutritive substance such as ice, dirt, starch, and poor appetite, especially in infants and children with iron deficiency anemia. Generally, children, school going children, they have anemia because they do not eat food in correct time. Morning they don't take milk and come to school. They want to play for a long time, but they don't have proper lunch. After going home also, you don't take proper lunch. And in the school, you listen so many things about from your friends that what else is in the market and you want to eat the market food. That is not good for your health. See this boy. Oh my God. So lazy. No, because he's feeling very weak. No energy at all. And first thing, the doctors will see your eyes. Here in your eyes, it will be red in color. Now today you are going to check your father, mother, brother, sisters, everybody's eyes. And then you will tell them to check your eyes. If the eyes is not red in color, if it is yellowish, that means you are suffering from anemia. See in this boy, everybody is playing and feeling so happy. But he, after little of playing, he's so tired and he's sitting and his friend is thinking, oh, what happened to him? He himself is also thinking, oh my God, everybody is playing. Why I am not able to play? Why I am feeling so tired? You know? Now, how we'll know? This is the normal blood and this is anemic blood. Now, many red blood cells, you can see so many red cells. And in normal hemoglobin, you see the group of blood cells, so many. In anemic, you will see fewer, very less. So, itni dur dur hai, so far they are. Just see both the picture and compare. You will understand that what is low hemoglobin. Now, things we should know because we are suffering with that. So we should know. And you should think whether it is happening to you. Now, often the first test used to diagnose anemia is a complete blood count. That when you give the blood, they will do this test, complete blood count. That is known as CBC. Now, the test checks your hemoglobin and your hematocrit level. The hemoglobin is the iron-rich protein in red blood cell that carries oxygen to the body. See how important it is. To treat iron deficiency anemia, take iron supplements. Doctors will also try to find out the cause of less iron in your body. What is the reason why so less iron is there? He may also check your food habits. Kya khate ho? That also they will ask you. You must not have iron deficiency. Iron supplements will cause constipation. So your doctor may also recommend a stool softener. Iron may turn stools black, which is a harmless side effect. So your stool, your potty will turn into black. Nothing is to worry about it. That is because you are eating iron tablets. So we should eat good food so that we need not eat iron tablets at all. Iron deficiency can't be corrected overnight. You may need to take iron supplements for several months or longer to replenish your iron reserves. Generally, you will start to feel better after a week or so of treatment. So I see in the class when we take games period, some children will be playing, some children will come and sit. Madam, I am tired. Madam, I cannot play. One period of games period also, you want to go to toilet, you want to go to drink water, you don't want to play. But in our age, we used to play a lot. Even one period you was short, we used to think, oh, why it is one period, it should be 2 periods. But in one period itself, you will start saying, Madam, we want to go back to the class. So you all should check whether are you anemic. Now, World Health Organization, what this as the chart they have made, how much minimum a person should have per gram deciliter. Okay. Now, the hemoglobin level differ according to the age, sex, and general health. So, normal average for the children, it is 11 to 13 gram. And for males, it is 14 to 18 grams. And for ladies, it is 12 to 16 gram. So, less than 12 means you should think you are anemic. The diagnosis. Your doctor may take your test. Now, red blood cell size and color, with that he will come to know whether you are anemic. With iron deficiency anemia, red blood cells are smaller and paler in color than normal. They are not very red. Their red color becomes less. Now, hematocrit, this is the percentage of your blood volume made up by red blood cell. Normal level are generally between 35.5 to 44.9%. For adult women, it is 38.3 to 48.6. For men, these values may change depending on your age. Now, hemoglobin. Lower than normal hemoglobin level indicates anemia. And then ferritin. This protein helps to store iron in your body. And a low level of ferritin usually indicates a low level of stored iron. So as your mummy will store rice or atta, isn't it? Like that, ferritin will store what? Protein in your blood. Oh, how to increase our hemoglobin? So if you have tested yourself and you must be thinking, oh yes, I get tired so soon. My friends are playing so much. I'm not able to play. I'm not able to concentrate on my studies, isn't it? What if the hemoglobin is less? Then you know what happens? You do not grow well, and your energy level becomes very low, and your affects their ability, your ability to study properly. You must be thinking, oh, why I'm not getting A plus, why I'm not doing well like my friend. So that means maybe your hemoglobin is less. So immediately you should check yourself. First you check your eyes in standing in front of the mirror, then you show your eyes to your parents and see. Otherwise you tell them that what is happening, and then they will take you to the doctor. Now for food, what mommy gives, you should eat that. And you should tell mommy to make the food at home. Don't try to eat chips and biscuits and chocolates and pizza and burger. They are for some time to change the taste, but they cannot become our food. So how many times we say don't bring biscuits, but still some children will bring biscuits to the school or mixture. When I go for the to see the tiffin box, I am surprised. In the tiffin box, there are some Maggie without any vegetables, or some people will bring mixture. Some have brought cakes. These are not good for your health. You must bring chapati, rice, idli, dosa, and so many things which are made with cereals. Now we'll see what you should eat. Eat red meat, pork, and poultry. If you are non-veg, if you are vegetarian, no need. See, the elephant is a vegetarian and a lion is a non-vegetarian. But who has more strength? Whose memory is good? It is elephant. Once you teach anything to elephant, he will not forget. He will remember throughout his life. But what lion will do? He will eat and he will sit in one place. So don't think if you eat non-veg, you have more energy. That is wrong concept. Seafood, that is fish. Now you should eat dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, then dried fruits, kaju, kishmish, badam, such as raisins and apricots, iron fortified cereals, gur matlab jaggery, amla, then peas, beans, apples, banana, black currants, pomegranates, carrot, beetroot. They all are very good in, rich in iron. And not only that, they also blood purifiers. That means they clean your blood. You can see all these things that you should eat. Understood? These are beans. Oh, what these two children are saying. Before wasting the food, think about them. They're saying, please think about me. Don't waste. There are some countries in the world which are very, very poor. Their children do not have food to eat. In our country also, there are very many poor people. So we should not waste food. Generally, when you go to the marriages, you will fill your plates and then you don't want to eat it and you will throw it in the dustbin. You should take little, because these are very heavy food. They put lot of oil, that also cheap oil, which are very heavy. And they put lot of color, so it looks very attractive, but that is not good food. So you must take very less food. You should not waste. अरे मम्मी ने सब्जी बनाई, you don't want to eat. I don't want to eat, and you throw. तो तुम्हारे शरीर का आयरन भी गया और इन बच्चों को खाना भी नहीं मिला. If all of us will save the food, then these poor people can also get food. So don't waste your food. Eat all the sabji, all the fruits, what your mommy will make. Don't eat outside food, that in the last class also we saw, isn't it? Because they are not good food. Now children, we also learned in the last lesson that due to the malaria also, we suffer from anemia. Now, how to prevent malaria? So many things you read about this, but now this is again, I'm saying you that what is the water inside and outside your house. There you will see some green things, है ना? हम लोग उसको काई बोलते हैं. In Hindi we say काई. यहाँ काई लग गई. So any place where the water is stagnant for many days, you get algae. Now algae are aquatic, that means water. Aquatic means water. Plants like organisms or living things that are found all over the world can be found in oceans, lakes, rivers, ponds, and even in snow. Anywhere on earth, but unlike plants, algae do not have roots or true stems and leaves. But algae are very important because they make much of Earth's oxygen. Lot of oxygen they give, that is very good. But at the same time, it is also breeding place for mosquitoes. That's why I'm saying one cause of anemia is malaria. So you should see that there is no water inside your house or outside your house. Wherever there is a water in your house, if your kitchen sink has not cleaned properly, not dried properly, your toilets, your bathrooms, and that running water where it is going, your kitchen garden, flower pots, and the pots where you have planted your seeds, there, if the water is stagnant, if the water is there, then what will happen? The mosquitoes will give the egg. And see, you can see the larvae. That last class you saw the larvae. सीखते ऐसे ये ऐसे हो जाते हैं. ये अंडे से निकले, छोटे छोटे अंडे थे, उनसे ये निकले. And see how soon they are multiplying, and soon they will start flying. So inside your house and outside your house, inside your, in the school also, you should do the survey and you should tell, madam, here is the water, stagnant water. And so we can clean it. So our house, our school, we should not keep the stagnant water. We should dry and keep everything. So we can avoid the mosquito, we can avoid malaria, and we will not be anemic. There are two types of diseases, children. One is communicable disease and one is non-communicable disease. Now, what are the communicable disease? The disease which spread from one person to another, like I have a disease and that will come to you. That's why we say in the school, take 1 arm distance and stand. Still you want to chipko fight with your friends. From now onwards, you understand, and always, as soon as you come for the prayer line, you take 1 hand distance. When you are talking to your friends, 1 hand distance. No need to keep your hand on your friend's shoulders and walk. Okay? And then while eating also, you should be away. थोड़ी दूर दूर बैठो ना. In the benches also, you should sit little far. एक दूसरे से चिपक के बैठोगे और फिर आधी क्लास में डिस्टर्ब करोगे. मैडम, he is pushing, he is pinching, so he took my book. So दूर दूर बैठो, because it is hygienic, है ना? So what is that? The disease will spread from person to person. Now they are caused by pathogens. What are pathogens? The pathogens are bacteria, virus, microorganisms. That means to whom we cannot see. They are so tiny that we cannot see. Like, for example, malaria, AIDS, TB, typhoid. Generally, it comes with the water, the typhoid, and the cholera, etc. एक से दूसरे को, जैसे मक्खी है. Last class I told you, मक्खी will sit that in some kachra, in dirty place, and all the bacteria or the virus or the microorganism will come in that, and it will come and sit in your food. That's why you should keep always your food covered. And why we say TB? It goes and affects your lungs. So when you go to toilet, always you pour water, because those are the virus which comes to our lungs. Okay, and stick to it. And don't think this disease will come in one day. They will multiply in our body, and then the disease will come. And then what is non-communicable diseases? Now these diseases which do not spread from one person to another. मेरे से तुम्हें नहीं होंगी या तुमसे मुझे नहीं होंगी. It will not go from one person to another. They are caused by deficiency of nutrients or due to allergy or abnormal proliferations of cells. Okay. Now, what is difference between those two? Now, here, like cancer, rickets, many types of allergies, and one more word is there, kwashiorkor. Now, this is the disease due to the deficiency of protein. If you are not eating protein food, then you will have this disease. And generally, it occurs with the young children, of school-going children. So you should take care of your food, what you are eating. Every time in the breakfast, lunch, in your dinner or tiffin box which you are bringing, okay, always you think what you are eating is a correct food or it is a wrong food. Now, for these two, you have a very good example, a practical example. Now that you have to think yourself, why you all are at home, why there is a lockdown. Now you will write in your classwork copy whether that disease is communicable disease or a non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease, just now I told you, that is cancer, diabetes, heart disease, strokes, then chronic lung disease and others. And why it happens? It happens, we only call them फिजिकल इनएक्टिविटीज. सारे दिन टीवी के सामने बैठना है, मोबाइल के सामने बैठना है, हाथ पैर फैलाना नहीं है, नो एक्सरसाइज. In the school also you will stand from one place, you will go and sit in another place. No physical activity. Morning, see, from so many days schools are closed, but you are not doing any exercise. You cannot go outside, but in the house you can do yoga, you can do activity in your own place. You can stand and you can run, you can put your hands up and down 100 times. So that is your physical activity. Then alcohol abuse. When you will grow big, somebody, Hare, chalo chalo peete hain, then you will think, it is very good, I have become hero. But don't think that. That is very, very harmful for your body. So don't do fashion by drinking alcohol, tobacco. You think, oh, this is a fashion, people will think I'm very modern. No, it is not like that. They are very bad for your health, very bad for your health. In tobacco, when it is a type of thing which will burn you from inside. So tobacco is not for. With this, TB is the one more thing. Cancer you get from tobacco. So you should not smoke. And unhealthy diet. You don't eat what our body require. You eat what your tongue wants. है ना, chips कितना मजा आता है खाने में, samosa. That is all unhealthy food. ओह, व्हाट इज अ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज? एक से दूसरे को जाता है कैसे? देखो, अब ये मिट्टी में कितना खेल के आया है ना, हाथ वाथ भी नहीं धोया, मुंह में भी लगा लिया, मिट्टी में जो बैक्टीरिया थे वो सब उसके मुंह में चले गए, एंड ही विल गेट द डिजीज. और ये हाथ मिला रहे हैं और उसी समय से छींक भी दिया, ए देखो इसके हाथ से सारे इसके हाथ में आ गए, नया खून मिल गया, बोर हो गया था इधर, अरे सेम टाइप ऑफ ब्लड, चलो नया नया कुछ नया. here he is. Now again they are so near to each other, और एक से दूसरे को देखो, ये सब जो है वायरस एक से दूसरे को जा रहे हैं. इसने छीका यहाँ, अच्छी, और ये गया यहाँ, और ये गया तुम्हारे लंग्स में, और शुरू हो गई तुम्हारी बीमारी. Now every Saturday I have to check your nails. And I have to tell, cut your nails, cut your nails. Some of you will see your nails and it will be so dirty. And you don't know, you will say, "Arey, madam, just now I came from my house only, or I came from there." But we don't remember how many things we touched. कितनी सारी चीजें रास्ते में छुई होंगी और हवा से वायरस आए होंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमको अपने हाथ धोने हैं, नेल्स कट करना है, ठीक है ना. उसके बाद ही हमें खाना खाना है. तो एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ वीक यू शुड कट योर नेल्स. नाउ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू, हाउ यू हैव टू वॉश योर हैंड. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू वेट योर हैंड्स, देन यू पुट द सोप. अच्छे से सोप मलना है. ओके, रब द सोप, देन यू वॉश इट एंड देन यू रेजनेट. उसको सुखाना है और अच्छे से ड्राई करना है, ठीक है. तब जाके अपना खाना खाना है या कोई और काम करना है. व्हेन यू गो फ्रॉम द स्कूल, immediately open your shoes and socks, remove your uniform, go and wash your hand and your face. अभी हम बोलते हैं ना, टेलीफोन में भी आता है बार बार हाथ धो, बार बार मुंह धो. ये तो हमें हजारों साल से सिखा रहे हैं. From thousands of years they are saying, whenever you come from outside, wash your hands, wash your face, wash your feet also. क्योंकि क्यों हम जो चलते हैं तो हमारे पैर में भी तो वायरस आते हैं. क्यों उसको हम अपने घर के अंदर ले जाएं? उसको पहले धो लेना है. गांव में देखो, जो भी लोग आते हैं पहले कुएं के पास जाते हैं, हाथ मुंह धोएंगे, पैर धोएंगे, फिर घर के अंदर घुसेंगे. तो these are the old habits which our people have, पूर्वज है ना, our people have taught from many thousands of years. And you all should learn this, because this generation is not learning good things. We are following others. एक napkin paper लिया, full of chemical, हाथ में लगा लिया. एक सैनिटाइजर, लंच टाइम में देखती हूँ इतने सारे बच्चे सैनिटाइजर लेके आए हैं. No madam, we don't want to wash my hand. I have sanitizer and I have to tell, अरे ये पूरा केमिकल का बना है, they are not good for your health. एक पेट में जाएंगे और तुम्हें बीमारी लाएंगे. ये देखो कितने खुश हैं ये वायरस. किसके पेट में जाऊं और किसके लंग्स में जाऊं, है ना. और ये पेट में घुस गए और ये देखो हमारे लीवर को, सबको अफेक्ट किया. और कितनी तेजी से ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गए, एकदम बैलून की तरह. अब चलो फीवर आएगा, खांसी होगा, जुकाम होगा, ठीक है ना, पेट खराब होगा. यहाँ पे आ गए, लंग्स में लग गए, तो कभी कभी तो तुम्हारे लंग्स भी खा जाते हैं. अगर आज वो तुम्हारे लंग्स में लगे तो 10-15 साल बाद पता चलेगा कि वो तुम्हारे लंग्स खा गए, ठीक है. तुम्हारा ग्रोथ नहीं हो रहा है, छोटे कैसे रह गए, नाटे कैसे रह गए, why you did not take. So these are things when it comes when we are dirty, we don't take proper bath, are not wearing neat clothes, we are not washing our hands, we are not cutting our nails. उससे भी डर्ट से भी आते हैं. एक दूसरे से पास जब बैठ के मुंह से बातें करते हैं, एक दूसरे के पास आते हैं, ये ऑलरेडी सॉ, तो ये सारे आ जाते हैं. और कितने खुश होते हैं तुम्हारे बॉडी में जाके. ये देखो कितने खुश होते हैं, इनकी पार्टी हो रही है. अरे वाह, आज तो मुझे चिप्स खाने को मिला. अरे वाह, तुम तो सोच रहे तुम खा रहे हो, लेकिन खा तो ये रहे हैं और कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. देखो. So we should not allow them. We should not allow them to come to our body. See, these are the virus, bacteria, and protists, fungal. These are the things we have to be away from them. Now, what is the prevention? Avoid excessive mental, physical strain by modifying lifestyle. भाग रहे हैं इधर से उधर, उधर से इधर. उसके पास ये है, मेरे पास ये नहीं है. I want this pencil box, I want this type of pen. Unnecessary you cry and give your physical strain. Now, low salt diet, low fat intake, avoid alcoholism, no smoking, regular exercise, create awareness in the community. अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी बताना ये चीज गलत है, ये चीज सही है. सेल्फ केयर, खुद का अगर हम अपने आप, we if we don't care, nobody will care for us. Drug therapy. Okay. Now this is all Google images, so we are very thankful to them.